It's me, the Sake Gamer. Today we'll go play Bees from Simulator. Now I know how to play this. There we go. I know. Wait, do I have a... Oh yeah, I do. See, did I just solve something? Hatch basic egg. Just always get normal bee. Wait. Yes. Gumdrops? Man, if I have enough, I could buy this, but nah, I don't have cyber money. So where's the bee? Those two bees. Oh yeah, them are dead. Time to pay to win, guys. Don't do it when you have Robux. It'll go up. Brave bee. Well, okay. I know I have an ult. Aha! Spin, spin, spin. Whoa, Ladybug, what did I do? That you get for trying to attack me when I was in your home? Yeah. I'm a Obby Pro. See? The hardest jump. I know there's a cloudy bee. A windy bee, yeah. Oh, crap. Well, guys, time to go back to the old day. going back to my house. Make honey. Stop making. Shaq is watching. Oh wait, my goal to do is get the windy bee. It spawned somewhere in the crowd. And that's the most rarest chance to get. Also, I can do this. I can beat that obby. What? Huh? What? What? Oh wait. Silly me. This looks like a house to me. Because there's a window. Whoa, what the? Something just gives me cold. Sorry. Also, I'm gonna change this to Shaq the Gamer. Yes, if you hurry up, you will have to pay. Just kidding. I mean, like I'm gonna grab something and draw on it and make it as Shaq. Then, never mind. Yes. See, I did it. Did it, guys. And I will change the logo and change the name to Shaq the Gamer. Shaq the Gaming, or is it Shaq the Gamer? Eh. Oh, I want your hair. Oh. I'm looking for epic. Okay. What? Oh. Oh wait, it's not Christmas. It's opposite day. Wait, what? Who's playing with the boo-boo keys? Oh wait, there's eggs. There's a whale chance of your Ginga. No. What is happening? Yeah. Is that a cherry bee? Gummy bee? There's cherry on this side. There's a frog. Die. Come back here. Come back here, frog. Why? Can I just get some? Like, oh my god. Nope, he doesn't have a gummy bee. Gummy, yes, gummy. No. Oi, boys, go make me some honey. Spin me round like round. Yes, now I can get the gummies. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Holy shit. Okay, that's cool. Oh, I hope I be like that guy. Because he might have a gummy bee or a spike bee. Because I like spike bees and gummy bees. My heart! I love it! That's my turn. Do not give me the work. You will. I hope this won't be 5 seconds long. Because I have to make another video about this. Oh. Okay, 7 gears. 7 gears. 7 gears. You have to find gear 7. And you need 7 of the gears. Like, why? Why up? Wait, what happens if you find all 15 of them? I hope I could do this stick, but look, do you see that? That's a Winnie bee. And we do not know that area have a Winnie bee. Why up? Okay. Wait, what's that? Dude, that's so cool. I bet he doesn't have a Winnie. Alright, I'm gonna make a part 2. Bye.